Hey Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw green from Roblox Rainbow Friends. So let's get started. To draw this cool monster, let's first start by drawing its eyes. So let's come right here and we're going to draw a circle, big circle. And I'm going to come right next to it, really close, and draw another circle. So now I have my two circles in, let's come in here and we're going to draw another one. So right about here, it doesn't really matter. You can put it anywhere you like actually. It's all over the place, right? And then I'm going to put a little highlight right here and then shade this all in. And then I'll put the other one about right here. So it's just kind of both of them facing close to the edges, I mean. And a highlight, just to add some bling to the eyes. And I'll just come in here and darken and thicken up my eyes. Okay, so now that I have these two eyes in, let's come to the top and say about right here and here. Nice and even. Really tiny little line, and then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the top with a soft curve. And then let's bring this down. So this right here will determine the width. And so about right here, it's going to come out, come down, about right here. And let's bring this down. So we're just going to go straight down to say about right there. Just want a little bit more room here. And then connect it with a soft curve again. And then we're going to draw some teeth. So come out right here and we're just going to zigzag some pointy teeth. So I'm just going to go ahead and go up and down. And end. Then from there, we're going to draw the bottom. So I'm going to put a tongue on this one right here. So let's, if you want to do that, if you're using a pencil, just go ahead and draw the bottom teeth and then put in the tongue. But I'm going to start with the tongue because I can't erase. So I'll say about right here, right underneath the top teeth. I'm going to come out of a curve. And then I'm going to bring this in and thicken it up. So I'm going to bring it all the way back here, and then before I do that, I'm going to, let's see here, bring this in and then down. And then right in this area, I'm going to slant up for the bottom teeth. So right there. So then now we're just going to go ahead and zigzag once again, and I'm just going to close that gap with some teeth. So same thing right here. Just close this gap so that we don't have to draw too many things. And then right here, if you have some space, you just put in some teeth. And angle this one a little bit downwards. And same thing here. And then this is where I'll just go ahead and shade it all in. So you can see a little bit better. So just play around with the angles of your teeth, whatever you need to do to just close it up so that you don't have to get it too complicated. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead to the bottom right here. And we're just going to go ahead and connect it with a curve, just like the top. Now I've made a mess with the teeth. Okay, so then we're going to continue downwards, go straight down. And let's bring it all the way. Let's say about here. And same thing here. So we're coming straight down. And then about right there, I'm going to stop and draw the legs. So I'm just going to kind of go down a slight angle and then curve. Same thing here. Slight angle and then curve. And then about in this area right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve right in the center and then come down. So nice, simple, stubby legs. And then we're just going to round off the sides and then connect. So same thing here. Nice and simple creature, right? Monster. And connect. There. And then now the arms. So we're going to come right here, right underneath this tongue, and let's just go ahead and start one long arm that comes down. And of course you can make it however you like, whatever direction you want to put these arms. I'm just going to simplify ours and just bring it down, and then about right here, and just go ahead and draw 3 fingers. There. And then I'm just going to put a line here just for some detail. So the other hand, I'm just going to go the other way. So same thing, right there. Just go all the way up. And once again, about right here. 3 fingers, and then that's where I'm going back to. So let's go ahead and thicken it up. There. And then once again, another little line right there. And last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here to make this my Just So Cute green from Roblox Rainbow Friends. I really hope you love how this monster here turned out just as much as the purple and the blue one I've drawn so far. So definitely check those out as well. And let me know in the comments below which color monster you want me to draw next. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved this and I helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos.